Hello, my name is Flemming Christensen. I'm Danish from Copenhagen, Denmark, and I will be traveling to Dubai to make a workshop about how do we create a strong foundation for a family. If you attend, you will learn more about psychology, relationships, and philosophy. The topics that we will be talking about has to do with what I call personal leadership. So how do we take responsible for our own lives and actually be a great role model for our children so they can take responsibility for their own lives. You will understand how we hide a little bit about, or maybe much, behind our defense mechanisms and why it's difficult to be vulnerable and open. The thing is, that is what the other person, like your spouse or your kid, loves. They don't love your defense mechanisms, but we actually show them to cope, their cope mechanisms. So how can we put the defenses a little bit aside so we can connect on the real foundation of a family? We'll be talking about how to end the blame game. We'll be talking about how do we create meaning and purpose. How do I create meaning and purpose for myself so I can be a role model to create meaning and purpose, well, at least support my child to create meaning and purpose in their life. Also, we'll be talking about what is family. For me, family is the foundation where we create and build and support future citizens of the world. So what are the principles, what are the values that we would like to take care of in our family? It will be a journey to self-awareness and self-exploration. It will also be a journey into the psychology and the dynamics. What is actually going on in the setting of a family? And the meaning and purpose, that would be the more philosophical part. How do we actually create meaning and purpose for each individual in a family and together? I look much forward to see you. Hope to join you at the workshop in Dubai.